Scalping Forex Strategies. How to profit from every pip fast. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll uncover scalping strategies that can help you capitalize on quick, small price movements in the Forex market. If you're someone who loves fast-paced trading and wants to learn how to profit from every pip, this video is a must-watch. Key what you'll learn in this video. A clear explanation of scalping and how it differs from other trading styles like swing or day trading. Why scalping is perfect for traders looking for short-term opportunities. Which currency pairs offer the best liquidity and low spreads for scalping success? How to choose the right pairs based on volatility and trading sessions. Effective scalping strategies. 1-minute and 5-minute chart strategies. How to spot entry and exit points quickly. Breakout scalping. Capitalizing on sudden market movements. Indicator-based scalping. Using tools like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and RSI for precision. Why setting tight stop-loss levels is crucial. How to calculate position sizes to protect your account while aiming for consistent profits. Tips for successful scalping. Importance of speed and focus in executing trades. The role of a reliable Forex broker with fast order execution and low latency. Rocket ready to start scalping? Scalping can be an incredibly rewarding trading style, but it requires the right tools and a reliable broker. A good broker ensures robust trading platforms for accurate analysis and quick order placement. Right finger open a Forex trading account with a trusted broker now. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to get started. Left finger. By choosing a recommended broker, you'll gain access to everything you need to trade with confidence and precision. Plus, you'll be supporting our channel, helping us create more educational content for traders like you. If you found this video helpful, checkmark hit the like button to show your support. Checkmark share this video with fellow traders who could benefit from scalping strategies. Checkmark don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, strategies, and market insights. Speech balloon got questions or need clarification? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. We're here to help and love engaging with our community. Thank you for watching and being part of our growing trading community. Remember, every pip counts, so trade smart, stay disciplined, and make the most of every opportunity. See you in the next video.
Here we go! I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.